Nah, I'm gonna fling this way and go through the forest. Yeah.
How much? What's the PSI on that?
I'm not too sure. Probably like 250, like 300. Window! Window of the building. Hey, watch out, this building. He's in the window.
Oh.
I don't know if that's our teammate or not. Oh.
Kim.
Pushing right, they're pushing right. One by the cement pillar. And one by the right wall. The right wall. Far forest. Oh shit. They're pushing right. They're pushing right. One guy right building. Oh, I see him. Got his leg. Got him. There's another guy though. Somewhere on the right side.
Oh wait, there's one over there.
What? One behind car! One behind car!
Oh, guy.
I don't got eyes.
Under stairs. Like, under the stairs. No guy here.
Fuck. Woo! Fuck, I'm not gonna beat that. One stairs! One guy stairs! Come on. Dude, I fucking blasted that dude. Hit! You're hit! Bro, I only got like 3 bullets left. This fucker's shooting me. They're pushing forest! Forest! Car! Pushing forest! 2 forests! They're pushing the forest! Straight through here, 3 guys! The ghost crew! Fuck, I don't want to peek it. Hey bro, you got ammo? Ah shit, alright, no worries. Woo! Oh shit, hey, he's pushing this way! Watch this! He's pushing right over here! Alright, good shit. Yeah. Oh, game over? Alright, well, good shit. We survived. Nice job.